So guys, I'm tasting the pumpkin pie kind, and it has 7 sugars in it. It tastes like whipped cream mixed with a little pumpkin pie, mixed with a little bit of crust, and mixed with cinnamon. It tastes great. Mustachio! I would have this more for like breakfast because I like it a lot. Yummy pie.
This isn't something I would buy all of the time for the kids, but it would be a good option if we were out of town and needed something quick for them for breakfast or just to have as a seasonal treat.
Thanks for watching Taste Testing with Deanna.